everybody, and welcome back to another one of our videos. Today we're down at the allotment again, and I'm just going to be trying to get some things done as quick as I can. You see, I want to put another bed here, but the daunting task is moving all this, because what I'm going to do is build a bed to scaffolding eyes if I've got enough scaffolding, and then get rid of all the thicker logs, and then all like the ones like this, just break them like that and put them at the bottom so that they'd be right like at the bottom of the bed, flat as I can get it. And then I'll fill it up with manure, and I've just been round there now and noticed that most of the manure is gone. So as long as I can get the bed here and get this flat, then hopefully we should be okay. So that is my task for this morning. I've got to get things moved around, and that tree and everything. I don't know if I can get that down today because I want to get some other things done as well. So the main task is just moving this. Didn't really want to move it, but it's one of those things. So I'm going to get on with it because I need my cameraman to help me, and then we'll see how far we get this morning. Right everybody, so we're still at it. We managed to get it down to the level, and I'm going to be putting maybe a 8x4, 8x5 bed in there. I want it two balls high, so I can put all that at the bottom and then put the manure on top of it, and then we're good to go. So what I'm doing now, just digging the wideness of it. This is where I needed my shovel, but the dirt here is a bit soft, so all I can do is move. It's like you're just moving things from one side to the other, so just doing this so I can get the board level, or almost level, because it's going to be filled up with all the logs and everything. So just have to do what I can. So I'm going to carry on with this. If you're liking our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment in the comment section. We'll get back to you on them. And all those who have got sweet potatoes from me, please let me know how they're getting on. I'm always interested to know what's happening. I'm sure a lot of you have reached out to me and said that you like the way how I send them out, the condition what they come in. That's my aim, to make sure that you get things what you can use and not just when you get them they're no good, or they look half dead before you even put them in the ground. So I try to make sure that everything I send out is in good condition, otherwise I won't send it. I will write you and let you know, and I always make sure that I try to send everybody some extras as well. So just in case, you don't know what's going to happen with the posting system, but everybody's happy so far. So this is where you got all the roots and everything. So I'm going to do this, get this down to where I want it. I thought that vole family moved on, but I see them popping out of the compost pile every few seconds. One pops out, so I don't know how many's in there, so hopefully they'll know something's going on and move on, or if they stay there then there's nothing I can do about it. So just trying to see where this is. The board is the board. I'm going to soon try to move that yellow one in a minute, but you can see after the rain and the cold what we had yesterday and the day before, now I'll come down here and I'm back into my t-shirt again. So that's how it goes. So I'm going to do this and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've made up the first frame. It's not level at the moment yet, just got to build the other one to put on top, and then once I've done that then I can get it reasonable level, and then next time we come start putting all these logs and everything back at the bottom. So it's going to be coming up to about here. So I could put 3 on, but I think two would be a good height to work at. And what once I've got it filled in and everything sorted out with it, then I'm going to be using this for mostly. I might put my my strawberries in there, because I still got all that bit up there to sort out. So all that compost and stuff what's up there is all, hopefully will all go in here. If I have to put if I have to build it 3 high, then I'll do that, but for the moment I wanted to see if I can get it 2 high, get rid of some of this, the log bits and that can go at the bottom. Then I'm going to fill it up. Hopefully if I fill it up to this level and then put manure, fill that all in with manure and everything, and then put compost on it, hopefully that'll rotten down for next season. It's going to take a while for that to rotten down, but that's how it goes. So I'm going to build up the next one and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so more or less got the bed to where I want it. I'm still deciding whether to do it 2 or 3 high. Oh, that means I would have to get some more scaffolding, and I didn't really want to do that. So all this, we're going to take our time, break it into little pieces. All the thick ones go down the bottom, and then fill it up, put some manure on top and then the compost on top of that, and use it for my tomatoes, and or see how the season goes, and if I need to put my garlic in there for next year then I'll do that or whatever. But we're going to be working on that next time, because I'm tired now, so hopefully it's not level, don't know why, but that's how it goes. It's only a garden bed. Right, so I'm coming up here now, going up to my garlic. I need to get some out. I want to give my brother a couple, so I'm gonna get a couple out and then I'll show you what they look like. So I'll be back with you in a minute. I'm just trying to keep the videos not too long. Right everybody, so I got out some of the garlics that I don't know if you could tell. I don't know if they've cloved up or if they've just stayed as one big bulb, but you can see the little corms what you plant. Those take 2 years, so I'm not really interested in them. You can see you've got a nice big one there. Don't know if it's bulbed, don't know if they're bulbed up or or if they just stayed at one size. But I planted these late in the season. They were planted in December. I still got a few left in there, but I'm going up to London tomorrow, so I'm going to give my brother a couple of corns. So the next thing, when I come round here, see my onions are keeling over, so I want to take him some onions as well. So they're not very big, but they need to come out and start drying now, so they need to start drying. So they're all wet because of the rain and everything, so they're not the ideal time to take them out, but it's got to be done. So I'm gonna take him some onions as well. You can see they're not, some of them haven't formed very big, but they just need to dry, and some of them are just sitting on the surface, but not very big. These are the red ones. Taking some red ones, and then I need to find some white ones now. See, they're just sitting on the top. They just need to dry. Get all these brown ones off. The other lot I put in the ones that I see sitting on top, the other lot I put in my conservatory, and they're dried out very nice. So looking for the white ones. White ones are small. Right, getting one more. It's a nice size one there. Two there anyway. So got some onions there. So those are going up to London. Right, so got garlic, onions. Right, so what I want to do next, I'm going to get a potato bucket and then empty one of those out, and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've got one of my potato buckets, and what I've done, I noticed that the old thing is full up with wood louse, or the bread up in there. They're all crawling all over the place, and I think I left my potatoes too long, so the slugs and everything's got to them. Some of them, they were left a bit too long, so I'm just going to have to maybe harvest what I can and then see what we've got. I'm trying to find somewhere to put them now. Them down on the ground for now. There's a lot of potatoes in here, but some of them has been eaten, some of them's got holes in them, so as we go along we've got to check each one. So gonna break this in half. That's a rotten potato. You see slugs. See the slugs are these are tiny, so but sometimes the tiny potatoes are the best ones. So I've got to do this and not try to get any wood lice in there. So I'm going to need my cameraman to help me, because I'm going to have to, I think they're left too long, so they're all going to need harvesting. So I'm going to get my cameraman to help me, and then I'll show you what we get out of this one. Right everybody, so that's what we got from our first bucket. Not a lot, but there's still potatoes. I've still got some from the last harvest. These ones, this is a second bucket now, and these ones are a lot bigger. I think these are the blight resistant one, acoustic, or one of them. So these ones are slightly bigger, but I've got to check every one. You see the soil is wet from all the rain and everything that we've been having. So see, these ones are a lot bigger. So got to get them potatoes harvested. So I'm going to need my cameraman, so I'll show you the results afterwards what we got. Right everybody, so this is from 2 buckets now. We've gone through them to see if they're all okay, but that's from 2 buckets. The 3rd bucket's in there now, so I'm going to do that. While I'm doing that one, I'm just going to get some stuff at the back, out of one of the beds, some broccolis to take as well. So I'm going to be doing that meanwhile to save a bit of time. So be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've done what I wanted to do today. Got double beds, so that one would be out the way. That pile of, I'll sort that out and sieve it. I didn't show you the broccolis what I picked. These are my broccolis. I've harvested some before, but these ones I'm gonna give to my brother tomorrow. And then that's all we've done for today. I've watered in the polytunnel and everything, so hopefully on Wednesday now I can start filling in this bed with the twigs and everything, get those flat, and then hopefully if they've got manure then I'll start topping it up until the level where I want it, and then I'll start on those compost piles. Seen a couple of voles around, I don't know if they're going to move on or what, but they were here last year. I thought they moved on, but they're still underneath there somewhere, so we'll have to deal with those when we get to them. There, I don't think they do any disturbance anyway, not that I notice anyway. So I hope you'll enjoy this one. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend, and leave a comment in the comment section. We'll get back to you on them. So you take care until the next time. Thanks for watching.